Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data from Snowflake to CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the worksheet where your data resides. Write a query to select the data you wish to withdraw. Execute the query to ensure it returns the desired results. Once satisfied, export the results by clicking on the download option. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Save the file to a location on your computer that you can easily access. Now, log into your CRM platform. Locate the Import or Data Upload section within your CRM. Select the option to import data from a file. Upload the previously downloaded file from Snowflake. Map the fields in your CRM to the corresponding columns in the file. Review the mappings to ensure accuracy. Proceed to import the data into your CRM. Monitor the import process for any potential errors. Once the import is complete, verify the data in your CRM. If necessary, perform any required data adjustments or cleanup. Your data from Snowflake is now successfully withdrawn to your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.